You are going to love the 2020 Transit Wagon. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, low tire pressure warning. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.